Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is August the 20th. Chart of the day is gold, 60 minutes time frame here. So very interesting move over the last 24 hours. So we got silver yesterday's chart of the day working out very well. Now let's see what gold is saying here. So we got a rally which clearly looks quite impulsive from the low we had last month, and we are calling this one currently as so we have wave 3, wave 4 intermediate degree here. That means we are within wave 5. Within wave 5, it subdivides into 5 waves. We have a clear extension on the third wave. So at minimum, right, at bare minimum, you would have to have a new high just to finish a 5 waves up from here. So this short-term pullback therefore should find support in 307 swing, extends higher. So since this is a very short-term move, probably you cannot even identify that pullback in 3 waves in this 1 hour time frame. You have to go down to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame to figure it out. But you can use retracement, right? So as always, wave 4 typically should be somewhere between 23.6, 38.2, and ideally doesn't go more than 50% retracement of the wave 3. So we are looking potentially at this area between 44.79 to 44.25. Ideally, this is the area where this current pullback should finish, then extend higher again at the least bare minimum to finish a 5 ways up from here. Now, zooming out is more interesting here. If this is the 4 hour, so let me copy some of the count here. So this is a 3 and a 4. Now give you two options here, guys, right? So you can see clearly from the low we had back in June, we got a nest, an impulsive move, right? So you can clearly see this is 1, 2. Now the possibilities now is that okay, one possibility, right, is that this is 1 and 2, right? And then that's 3 and 4, and then we are ending with 5. But with 5 clearly is incomplete because we so far only have 3 waves. So at bare minimum, you would have need to have one more leg up to finish a 5 waves. Then you may have a chance to finish the cycle and then see a bigger pullback. So that's one option, right? So another option here is that this is actually only ending 3, guys, which is possible if you think about it. So I can call this as the internal subdivision of that wave 3, like this. This is actually one lower degree than this intermediate. This is a minor degree, 1, 2, and then this is only 3 minor, 4 minor, and then we're ending 5 minor, which needs to at least bare minimum one more leg up. And then once we finish that, that will only end 3 from here. And then you will have 4, and then you will cut a 5. So I tend to think that this possibility here definitely is possible here, where we will continue to extend higher in the next few weeks and months, right? So any pullback therefore will continue to find support and continue to extend higher before we eventually finish the 5 ways up from June, and then see a bigger pullback after that. All right, so regardless, but that's kind of like a more long-term idea. Short-term though, if all we care about is short-term, then yes, this cycle is incomplete. We should see at minimum one more leg up once this current pullback here is complete. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.